worldwide. Whether it's mountain climbing or rock climbing, or fire protection, this knot is a knot that must be mastered. He is also known as the king of knots. This is the first knot I learned in my college major. Bowling knots are actually transliterated. The English name is bag collar. It's called a knot in China. In the countryside, it doesn't matter whether you call it a person or a pig. We'll use this knot, because this knot is under stress. The size of his circle will not change. There are 3 common ways to play a knot. I'm going to show you. The first and most common way to play. Make a circle first. This is the rabbit's hole. This is a tree. There's a rabbit coming out of the hole. Run around the tree. Get back into his hole. Tension. The second use is as a hairy point. This is a very thick tree. We're going to tie a knot on this tree as a fixed, and you come down here. We can use this Bollinger knot. This is the short end. This is the long end. Start with the long end of the rope and make a rope loop here. Then put this. Wear it out. You run a little string through here. Put it out and adjust this size. Pull it out again. Do another anti-detachment treatment. Tie a single knot. That's the detachment prevention joint. The third style of play is often used in firefighting, also called a fire escape. If I had a fire on the 6th floor now, then I have a rope I'm going to escape. I'm going to tie this rope around myself. We'll use this knot. It's very fast. Then you can escape immediately. Then follow my first perspective and learn it again. This is the short end. This is the long end. Long end of short end pressure. Come around here. Now pay attention. A short rope should be wrapped around it. The long and short rope goes around in a circle. Grab the short rope again. Okay, wrist. There's a loop. Drag it out. Pull both ends again. It's okay. Remember, you also need to tie an anti-drop knot here. If this video is helpful to you today, please like it. I'm TT. Follow me to take you to unlock more outdoor skills.